Hello people, happy new month. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. So this is the soup we are cooking today, Egusi soup. So come, let's cook it, guys. Some olive oil, onion, rosemary, bayleaf, blended egusi with pepper, crayfish. I saved my tomato because I want it to cook faster. I will stir and stir until it is incorporated. All my new subscribers, thank you. I really do appreciate. I see the like, the comment, the share. May the good Lord bless you all. So now we'll be adding my meat spices: salt, ginger, garlic, pepper, crayfish, paprika, white pepper, meat spices for Italian herb, crayfish, everything, tumeric, curry, more crayfish. Feel free to use the spices that you have. So I'll give it a good mix. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, follow us for more amazing video. Turn on your post notification so that anytime we drop video you will be notified. I added my deboned bonga fish, my dried fish, my bitter leaf, my stockfish, everything properly washed with hot water and salt. So guys, I will just stir around and make sure everything is combined, and after that I'll cover and cook it for a while, for 10 to 15 minutes, and I will go there to always stir the soup. So yeah guys, I came to check on it. I will be adding in my meat spices and the stock, adding more water so that I can have a lot of water that will cook it to the taste that is okay. So guys, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Check my channel out. I have other 8 recipe cooking videos, family lifestyle. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. Lady B is the name. So I just stay together and I will cook it again on in 20 minutes. So here is 20 minutes. I'll be adding my last ingredient, which is my bushmeat that I washed with hot water and salt.
And once that is done,
I will combine it all through until it is. So guys, this soup came out so nice, tasty and yummy.
So I cover.
So that is it, guys.
Here is it ready.
Already
Enjoy
cooked
with any fufu of your choice.
Be used for about